Hey guys, good morning. Leanne here on Grady's Mom, starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. Today is Monday and I'm giving Matt a Berry Propel Zero, a Gatorade Cool Blue drink. The sandwich today is on the Pepperidge Farm seeded rye bread, and we've got some teriyaki chicken by the brand Dietz and Watson from the deli, some spring mix, Swiss cheese, and some everything aioli. One of the Volpe mozzarella wrapped in prosciutto sticks, some lightly salted or lighter salt, lower salt almonds with banana chips from Trader Joe's in this little cup, and then a Nutella with breadsticks to go. Really simple lunch to start the week, and we'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, it's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a watermelon Propel Zero, a blue, I think it's called Cool Blue, Gatorade, the wrap you saw me make on the tomato basil mission wrap. It has spiral deli ham, some Swiss cheese, some spring mix, and then some of the Golden's like spicy mustard. This little snack thing I got at Walmart. It has green apples and caramel. I got it for $1.02, as you can see. I always look for the red labels in the produce section, or the yellow stickers, I mean, in the produce section. And if I see something that's a good deal, I just check the date. And if it looks good, I grab it, because you can save a little money that way. 2 of these little mozzarella sticks wrapped in salami, a bunch of carrots and celery. There's a good amount in here, with a little ranch dipper cup. And this is his lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler and wanted to share today's lunch. I'm giving him a blue Gatorade and Arnold Palmer half light iced tea lemonade, and then the Yum Box with the almonds. So these are lightly salted roasted almonds, some banana chips from Trader Joe's. I just buy them individually and then mix them together. I have 3 of these mozzarella wrapped in salami. These are smaller than like a traditional piece of cheese stick, which is why I gave him 3. I've got some garlic bagel chips that I tried to stack up flat to give him as many as possible. A couple little grape tomatoes, some sliced kiwi, and some sliced up cucumber from my mom's garden. And then I also gave him a peanut butter chocolate granola cup, and might also in addition throw in a banana. I'll just ask Matt what he thinks, and then of course, as always, the water cooler. So this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a grape Gatorade, a Arizona Arnold Palmer half iced tea, half lemonade, a sandwich here on this. Let me show you. It's just bakery, like Tuscan Italian bread, which I got yesterday at the bakery, nice and fresh. So I put on some teriyaki, Dietz and Watson chicken, Swiss cheese, spring mix, and some everything aioli. I've got some Cape Cod kettle cooked sour cream and cheddar chips, some banana bread from the fresh market. I'm actually going to have some right now with my coffee, and then a prosciutto and mozzarella cheese stick. And this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Good morning guys, it's Friday, and before I jump into what's for lunch, I wanted to share Matt's work cooler and water cooler, because I still continue to get a lot of questions on these. I have showed them in previous lunch videos, but I know there's always new people that are finding my channel, so I wanted to go ahead really quick and share them with you. Both are from Walmart. They were both purchased about 4.5 years ago at Walmart. This is the Igloo brand, which is a very popular and easy to find brand at like Walmart or sporting goods stores, or probably even Target, like in the camping outdoors section. This cooler is the Bubba brand. I believe the little logo wore off, but it used to say like Bubba right here. And this is about, I don't know, a gallon or so, and I just fill it like halfway with ice, and then I fill the water line about 1 inch over the ice, and then it melts throughout the day. They are both inexpensive, and I do clean them about once a week. So for example, today being Friday, there's a little stuff here. It's not super dirty because I clean it every week, but usually like Friday, when he comes home from work, I'll take it, I'll scrub it down with soapy hot water and a sponge, and it's good to go. Same with this. Because my husband works a construction job, so he is outside a lot of the time, except now that we're back in New York, he'll be inside in the winter, thank God. But anyways, these are the two items I use to pack his lunch every day for the past 4.5 years. So I wanted to share that because, again, I still get a lot of questions on them, and you can find them easily at Walmart, again, Target, sporting goods stores like Dick's Sporting Goods in like the camping outdoor section, and they work really well. Ice packs fit in here perfectly, and we haven't had any problems. By the way, I do have an entire What's for Lunch video playlist. If you are new, you can feel free to check that out if you need more ideas, because I've been doing these videos for a long time. And now I'm going to show you Friday's lunch. Alright guys, Friday's lunch, I have a blue Gatorade for Matt, a ginger ale, and you know, as always, the water cooler. I have a sandwich here on rye bread. I had one leftover chicken breast, so I actually made, hopefully it'll focus, a nice chicken salad, which I really stuffed it, so it's kind of coming out. So I've got chicken salad, I've got Swiss cheese, I've got some spring mix on here. We had some leftover shrimp cocktail, or just shrimp, so I just put some shrimp in here with some cocktail sauce for him to dip. I have the other caramel apple that I got at Walmart earlier, so that's the last one to use up. And then I have one of these Jif Power Up strawberry peanut butter granola bars. I think that's the last one of those as well. And I'm actually going to make a bunch of chicken salad this weekend too for next week, so probably Monday when we're back we'll have more chicken salad, because we love chicken salad, and I was only able to make pretty much enough for one sandwich because, again, I only had one breast left. But this is lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.